Alright, I'm Leroy Washington with Diesel Class 01, and this is Mike.
Howdy.
And we're shooting a video on how to draw the codes from the ECM in a dang on diesel truck. Now we're going to use a reader here, code reader, heavy duty code reader from OTC, and it's going to hook up to this
Start the truck with the
9-point pin. Let's see if you can see 9-point Deutsch cable. There it is right there. Now,
the deal, the code reader.
yeah, we're doing it right now. We're doing a video on it right now.
Oh, you're on video. You're hear me right now.
Yeah,
You're on video.
yeah, it's fine. So I'm just gonna make the voice high pitched.
Okay. one of our other fellow little guys here.
That was Tom.
Quick and Tom.
Tom, say hey.
It's Tommy,
Alright.
guys.
Now we're gonna hook it up. It's the so what's the name of this plug?
OG, the nine pin Deutsch cable.
But it's got a name. It's got a number. Let's see here.
The 1979.
We're gonna hook it up. It's the J what?
1979.
J11979,
I believe.
Now, it gives the basic instruction you just read. There's only a couple of buttons here. Enter, read, menu, clear, configure, power, left, right, up, and down. So by following the pins or following the instructions on the reader, let's see here. I'm going to tell it to read now. It's the J1939.
Oh, 39.
Yeah, J1939 plug.
My apologies.
No problem. Unable to read. Okay. The reason it's unable to read is because I did not turn the key on. Pretty good. Shoot a video how to redraw the code.
Letterball.
And that was Corey. So Corey, you will be seeing yourself in the video. Alright. Now, I'm going to try to get this thing to read here. It is reading. Read was its own button right here. Give it a few minutes and you let it do its thing. It says it's got 8 components and 5 fault codes.
On the lighting.
Looks like it comes up backwards on that one.
It does, it'll flip itself.
Sweet. So it's got 8 components and 5 fault codes. Alright, now, let's go through the codes. Let's see, here's the menu.
Go to menu.
And you view faults.
Default.
Enter. Now the first one we have, it says headway controller J1939 network number 1 primary vehicle network data erratic, intermittent or incorrect. That's not good. That means probably something is wrong with the connector or the data link system. So the next one would be, and we got 6 total codes here. So the next one's going to be the headway controller, headway control forward, antenna bad, intelligent device or components. And that's pretty much all it says. In order to get a clearer view of what the component or what these codes are on this device, you'd have to go read the instructions a little bit more to see what it's actually talking about, or go look it up like on Mitchell on Demand. Now the next code will be, let's see, tire pressure controller. No text available. Condition exists. The next one after that is tire pressure controller. No text available. Condition exists. This is number 5. Forward-looking collision warning system number 1. ECU number 1. J1939 network number 1. Primary vehicle network data erratic, intermittent or incorrect. And the last code is forward-looking collision collision system number 1, ECU number 1, J1939 network number 1, primary vehicle network abnormal update rate. So it's probably something electrical going wrong here. We're going to have to go look at the codes to investigate further to see where it will lead us. But it's better than just shooting in the dark because we're actually communicating with the ECU itself.
that gives you a rough idea on where you're going to be going to and what you need to be solving or what you need to be looking for in that area.
Correctamundo. Now, also, with this hard reader, it's not as good as the Bosch tool or the Gile test or some of the other readers because they would allow you to access certain other systems like fuel or maybe lighting or window
Or RPM.
or the RPMs. You can access so many more other features with other readers.
And certain temps and sensors and all that. That's just a basic reader.
Yes, just a basic reader. So we can pretty much go no further with this except for doing our own physical investigation and troubleshooting after that. This is Leroy Washington and Mike McDonald signing out for Diesel Class 01 at JTech.